Have you noticed something crazy happening on Instagram lately? Creators are posting time travel vlogs where they film themselves walking through the past or the future. Some are visiting ancient Egypt, others are exploring future cities. And the crazy part, many of these accounts have barely any videos, yet they're getting millions of views. One account posted just a handful of clips, and suddenly one video hits 4 million views, another jumps to 9 million, and another one crosses 10 million views. That momentum alone helped the creator gain hundreds of thousands of followers in less than a month. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral AI time travel vlogs step by step. And the best part, you don't need expensive equipment, and you don't need to travel anywhere. All you need is AI tools and a simple workflow. My name is Chase Brooks, and welcome to Chase Profit. Let's get started. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly understand why these videos go viral so easily. First reason, they feel real and immersive. Viewers feel like they're watching history unfold live. Second, the format is short, engaging, and story-driven. It feels like a vlog from another time period. And third, most creators are not doing this yet, which means the niche is still wide open. And if you start now, you can easily build an audience before it becomes saturated. Now let's actually create one. The first thing we need is a scenario for our time travel vlog. Go to ChatGPT, open the sidebar, click Explore GPTs, and search for time travel vlog. When you open it, you'll see two options. The one we're using today is put yourself in a vlog. This option basically allows AI to create a scenario where you appear inside a historical moment. Once you select it, the AI will ask you for a few details. First, upload a reference photo of yourself. This helps the AI generate visuals where you are the main character. Next, choose the location and time period. For example, ancient Egypt during the construction of the pyramids. Once you submit that, the AI will generate 5 image prompts and 5 video prompts for you. These prompts will help us create the scenes. Now we need to turn those prompts into images. For that, we'll use Higgsfield AI, go to the image section and choose the model, Nano Banana 2. Then, copy the first text to image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Higgsfield, upload your reference photo again. Now set the settings like this: the aspect ratio 9:16, resolution 2K, and generate 4 images. Once the images finish generating, you'll see something amazing. AI creates a scene where you appear standing in ancient Egypt with the workers building the pyramids behind you. It looks like you're actually vlogging from the past. Now repeat the same process for the remaining prompts. By the end, you'll have several realistic images from different locations. Before we continue, if you enjoy learning about AI content creation and viral strategies, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to Chase Profit. And if you want to learn another viral AI content strategy, tap the video popping up on your screen right now. How to create viral AI bunker shorts with $0 full tutorial. That video shows you another powerful AI trend that's exploding right now. Now let's continue. Next, we're going to animate these images. Inside Higgsfield, switch from images to video. Then choose the model, Kling 3. This model allows you to generate videos up to 15 seconds long. Upload one of the images you created earlier, then go back to ChatGPT, copy the matching video prompt, paste it into Higgsfield. Now adjust the settings. Resolution 1080p, duration 10 seconds, turn audio on, turn enhanced off, then click generate. After processing, the image transforms into a fully animated video clip. It looks like you're standing there recording a vlog while history happens behind you. One powerful feature is multi-shot mode. Instead of one single scene, you can create multiple camera shots in the same clip. For example, shot 1, you talking to the camera. Shot 2, workers dragging a massive stone block. Shot 3, a close-up of the pyramid construction. This makes your video feel more like a real documentary vlog. By the end, you'll have several short clips ready to combine. Now download all your clips. Open CapCut, import the clips into your project, arrange them on the timeline in the order of your story. Next, create captions. Use auto captions to generate the captions. This automatically generates subtitles for your video. Add a title at the top of the video. For example, I went to ancient Egypt to see how the pyramids were built. Then export the video. And now you have a viral ready time travel vlog, and that's it. Now you know exactly how creators are making viral time travel vlogs using AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Chase Profit, and drop a comment below telling me which time period should we visit next. I'm Chase Brooks, and I'll see you in the next video.